What's up, people? Doing something a little bit different today. Um, Having a look at some cannabis stocks. I'm normally over on crypto, but I've been slowly starting to invest in some cannabis stocks. I think they're the play to make in 2024. Got a lot of upside potential and a lot of the charts. I do like the look of a lot of them. But I thought I'd just go over a quick couple charts that I like the look of. If anyone else has got some other charts, put it in the comments. I'm always happy to have a look. But yeah, I'm here over on ACB. I have slowly been investing, just throwing a little bit of money in down at these lows, and I said once we flip this monthly, if it ever happened, I'm gonna look to add some size. So yeah, I haven't done that. To be honest, I was looking for more of like a move up, back test, and then continuation. So maybe we did get that here on the hourly. See, it was resistance, flipped, support, and then the big move up. But I'd like to see it on a bit of a higher time frame. I wanted to see some daily closes above it. Maybe now get that move down before the next big move back up. But yeah, not getting crazy bullish. But I mean, we're still making these. It's always good to stay cautious. Lower high, lower low, possibly another lower high. But I'm looking for something like this, and then a continuation of the trend. And these are some crazy percentages. From this low to my next major target, around $40. That's a 700% move, 7x. So yeah, it's a lot of room to run. And if we look back up to the highs, that's 30x away. It's crazy. So yeah, a lot of potential in these cannabis stocks. So this is ABC. Yeah, for me the biggest resistance on the chart was this monthly. We broke through it. I'm just looking for a back test now to add a bit more size. I do hold a little bit, but yeah, it'd be nice to get a bit more size into this and then get the continuation. Looking up towards this $40 mark. I've just pulled the golden pocket from this last sort of pivot high to low. Got a monthly level sitting here. I don't know if I've pulled a fixed range. Let me just see. Yeah, it's not much showing on fixed range. All the volume's going to be at the bottom yet. But yeah, that's ACB. And there's a couple others I've been looking at. Is it Cura? Haven't bought any of this stock yet, but how I'm looking at it, basically this is the big range. Come up to range highs, can't hold it at support, lose it, back into the range. We trade it all the way back down. Takes the range lows, back in, support. Now we're back at the midpoint of the range. And the play I'm looking for here is we've just swing failure patterned this last high, and I'm looking for either this area here to act as support before I move back up. I'm just going to trade it like a range. So what you do is you buy range lows, sell range highs. So I'm looking for support here, back up to the range highs. If we don't hold here, I'm looking back towards the range lows where we got some support. And percentage wise, that's almost 200%, 300%. So yeah, some good moves here. This is Cura. If we just pull a fixed range, let me just see what's going on. Yeah, hitting that point of control. Got this value area low around here. So yeah, it'd be nice to hold this $5.60 mark and get a rotation back up to these highs around $15. That'll be nice. Oh. I'll just hide this. What else we got? We have GRWG. What is this? Grower or something? But another one. I'm in a trading. So, Jesus Christ, look how far this stock's going down. It even looks stupid even on log scale. So obviously we've back up at almost hit $70, and we're back down at $1.80. So I had the idea of this $1.80 being really key support, or sort of this zone down here. This is the zone where we obviously impulsed, came back down, and this is the first time we're testing it again. So we came down, got a bounce, and then we start moving back down, and this is where I started getting interested. So I ended up buying some of this stock around this $2.20 mark. We've recently got a nice bounce, over 50%. It's crazy. It'll be nice to look to hold this sort of $2.50 mark. If we do come back down to range lows, back down here, I'll probably look for these lows to get taken out, something like this, get these lows taken out, and then probably buy it back here. But until then, we've got this nice impulse. So, and on quite a lot of these stocks, we're getting this sort of market structure change where it's like bang, high, low, lower, high, high, low, lower, high, and then we get this change here of these higher highs, higher lows. So now we could be looking at switching that structure and looking for some upside. Next level to the upside is this around this $4 mark, and then past that back up, looking at like $10. So yeah, some big percentages, and then up to its all-time high. Yeah, another 2,300%. So yeah, I just think there's a lot of potential in these cannabis stocks at the minute. What else we been looking at? SNDL, another one that I've bought. Just looking at it very similar, where we got this range high, range low, we come up, swing failure of the range high, move all the way back down, and I've been buying at these range lows. We've recently just got a nice pump of over 100%, straight into where I've marked my first resistance. Getting a bit of a pullback off of this now. 17% pullback. Not too worried. Obviously, bang, bang, bang. So yeah, for this, mainly I'm going to be looking for. We do get this monthly close up here. What's this going to do? Go away. Let me pull a fixed range, see what's going on. Yeah, realistically, wouldn't really want to see it start losing this. Looking at this as a bit of a zone between this value area high and this daily level here, so be nice to see a little pullback back into here and some continuation. If we do start getting trapped back into this value, then we can see the rotation back down to the lows, and then we'll see what it looks like then. But yeah, until then, we can just continue looking to the upside. 202% to another around that $6 mark where we got another big resistance. What else we got? We got this TCNNF, another one that I bought. This has had a nice move up. So I was just looking at a bit of an Elliott wave perspective where we got the 5 ways down, and I was looking for something to be finished, and then we got this nice change in market structure when we impulse didn't take out the low, and I was looking to this is where I took my long to where I thought the market had shifted its trend here, and we've had a nice bounce of 175%. I have marked this out as one of the biggest resistances on the chart before we can start looking at that $30 area. And I'm looking at this, it's a bit of a zone really, between sort of $12.20 and $15. This is a bit of a zone, so you may get a pullback here, or maybe we get into it and you're just going to see some choppy price action before we see higher. This is somewhere where I'd not look to be buying, but I'll be looking for some sort of pullback. And what else we got? This TCNDF. This is a chart I've recently, I like the look of. We're putting in this sort of triangle bottom. I'd like to see another pullback. Well, we're getting close to it now, towards this point of control monthly, and then once we get a breakout of this triangle, we can start looking back up to the highs of the range at $10, which is over 500% away. So yeah, let me know guys. Is there any cannabis stocks you want me to have a look at? What your thought process is on them? I just think they're the play to make in 2024 really. But yeah, peace.